Today's word is through. It is spelled as T-H-R-O-U-G-H. It is used as a preposition, adverb, and an adjective. As a preposition, the word can be used in several ways. It means from end of something or somebody, an opening, a channel, or a location, and out the other. For example, to pass through a tunnel. We drove through Denver without stopping. Sunlight came through the window. It can also mean something continuing or extending toward completion in space, time, experience, process, activity, or an event. Examples are, we sat through some very boring speeches. I flipped through the pages. There are homes scattered through the valley. He flew through the air. Its synonyms are amidst, between, during. As an adverb, it has two meanings. It can mean expressing movement into one side and out of the other side. For example, as soon as we opened the gate, they came streaming through. The other meaning is to continue in time from the beginning to the end. Examples are to read a letter through. She's just started a tour that will keep her busy right through June. Its synonyms are around, over, throughout. As an adjective, it can mean having completed an action or process. For example, when will you be through with school? A similar meaning is having no prospect of any future relationship, dealings, or success. She told him she was through with him. It can also mean continuing or valid to the final destination. A through train or bus goes all the way from one place to another place without the passenger having to change trains or buses. For example, a through train from Boston to New York. Its synonyms are finished, completed, direct. Through, from one end or side of something to the other.